I am Sister Leona Marie Seelig. I am grateful to God for my family and for my vocation to the Benedictine life in Fort Smith. My father was Frederick Alphonse Seelig, and my mother was Alpha Hibbard Seelig. I had two brothers, Frederick Sonny Seelig and Richard Allen Seelig. We lived in Tichenor, Arkansas, 10 miles southeast of Gillette and Arkansas Post. My father was keeping a store owned by great-uncle Hayward Hibbard. I went to grades 1 through 4 in Tichenor. My mother died in 1942 when I was 9 years old. We then went to Holy Rosary School in Stuttgart, but our home was in Tichenor. In 1948, I and 4 other girls came to Fort Smith to attend the high school at St. Scholastica. Then in 1950, I entered the monastery after my sophomore year. Our sophomore class made a retreat, and I received a light for my vocation. I made vows in 1953. Then I missioned at Shoal Creek for 2 years. Shoal Creek, Arkansas is the site of St. Scholastica's first convent. There I helped at school in the morning and at the house in the evening. After that, I returned to Fort Smith to study vows, and I made profession of vows in 1956. From 1956 to 1964, I was at St. Joseph's Orphanage in North Little Rock, and I was in charge of the dining room. From 1964 to 1969, I was helping different sisters serve meals in the diet kitchen in the infirmary here. Then I moved back to Fort Smith Monastery to be a Medihome nurse aide from 1969-1972. Then from 1972 to 73, I lived with 3 sisters in Stuttgart, Arkansas, so that I could help my father. Then I returned to Fort Smith to return my nurse's aide position at Medihome. From 1992 to November 2012, I have been a nurse's aide in the infirmary at St. Scholastica. My father died in 1987. He was 82 years old. I have a lovely flower garden and crochet doilies and napkins. I have been studying Spanish with a group of sisters. To any young woman who is thinking about a religious vocation, I'd like to say that you might like to give your life to God.